Hey guys, this is Rob from Classic Car Living, and today we are at Gateway Classics in Lake Worth. There's over 100 cars on consignment here. People say there's no good deals. Let's go see if that's true.
We have a 55 Thunderbird convertible, and they are asking $37,000. I think that's a very good price. It's not out of control. It's a decent price. Next to that, we have a 62 Thunderbird Sports Roadster, and they are asking $33,000. Again, if there is any car that interests you, reach out to Gateway Classics in Lake Worth, and they will give you the information on it. Let's go. We've got a lot of cars to go. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this. This is a 41 Cadillac. Okay, look how beautiful this car is. Asking $42,000. Come on, that is a spectacular deal. Look at this car. The history, it's gorgeous. For $42,000 asking. Look at this luxury. It's not a muscle car, but it's a luxury car. It's gorgeous. And let's go over to this next one, Lincoln Continental. Look at this. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think they're asking for this? Look how beautiful this is. They just don't make cars like this anymore. They're asking $50,000 for this 48 Lincoln. Look at the details on this car. Let's take a look inside. It's gorgeous.
Hi, this is Rob from Classic Car Living. If you love your classics like I do, protecting them is a must. And that's why I use Coverland car covers. They're waterproof with UV and paint protection built right in. The thick, high-density material and soft inner lining guard your finish while the custom fit design hugs every curve. No matter what Mother Nature throws your way, rain, sun, wind, or snow. And it's also backed by a lifetime guarantee. So if you're interested in a Coverland car cover, make sure to click the link below and let them know Rob sent you.
Check out this Cadillac. '71, and they're asking $33,000. Now check out this 1973 station wagon, asking $16,500. Come on guys, look at this. How much fun would this be? You get to ride in the back again, bring the grandkids or your kids. 16.5 Ford LTD station wagon. This is just fun. And this is asking price, guys. Again, you could have a lot of fun for 16.5 or less. And next to that, we have this Plymouth 1969 asking 16.5 also. Once again, another fun time for $16,500. You can create some memories. Now check out this 1977 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43. This thing is gorgeous, asking $43,000. It's a pickup. Check out this Ford. Doesn't have any pricing on it, but it sure looks original. Let's see if we find some paperwork on it. Doesn't look like it, but 77 Thunderbird Resto, it says, and it's asking $25,000. Here's another fun car. Put some beef on it, if it doesn't already have it, under the hood, and have some fun. Here's another one. I think this is O.J. Simpson's. It doesn't have any paperwork on it, so looks like a 90s Bronco, which are getting popular since Ford released the Bronco again. Here we have an 89 Porsche 928, and they are asking $30,000 for this. So asking 30 for a Porsche 928, which will definitely be a lot of fun. All right, so a 75 Corvette, and they're asking $19,000. Come on, you're gonna tell me this is not a good deal to go have fun? Not too expensive. It's got the side pipes on it. Let's take a look inside. $19,000. Let's take a look over here. Check out this Ford. It's a 1952 Crestline Victoria, and it's asking $19,500. I'm going to repeat myself again. If you guys have any questions about any of these cars, make sure to reach out to Gateway Classics. They can give you more info on the car and probably work out a deal from asking price. All right, so here we got another beautiful Corvette. It's a 1960. 1960. Now this is a pricey one, but this is a monster car, and they're asking $108,000. This is, look at that body style with the white walls. So not everybody can afford $108,000, but this I think is going to be pricey because looks like a split window. For what I see, it's asking $99,000 for a 66. 454. It's not split window, but it's still a very desirable model. This thing is completely customized. It's a 34 street rod. And for the amount of work that they've done, I will guarantee you it's more than what they're asking for, which is $53,000. This is American Graffiti style right here. It's gorgeous. And next to it we have this Chevy Caprice. $1966, and they're asking $29,000. I believe this is a good deal. $29,000. Try to get through this as tight as possible without hitting anything. Big bench seat. Everything looks great inside too. Vinyl roof. Check out this Power Wagon. Dodge. This is gorgeous. Let's take a look to see, because the numbers flipped up. 1980 Power Wagon, $31,000. I think that's another great deal. They definitely have more than $31,000 into this car or truck. Go around this side. Look at this GTO. Looks like they just got this one in, so they're still working on prepping it. It's a 65. Look at that mean hood. It's got the red lines, convertible. Has a beautiful stance. Beautiful car. Yeah. It sure is. stick shift. I will get you a price on this also. I believe this right now is the best deal so far. It's a 1986 Alpha convertible, asking $10,000. Come on. For $10,000, that is an amazing deal to have some fun. Again, negotiable. So, you know, think about that. Those who say that there's no good deals left, come on. That's why I'm here. Another Triumph TR6, 1976, and this thing is mint, and they're asking $19,500. Sub $20,000 for this classic car where you could have a blast. It's not American muscle, but not everybody does American muscle. Some people like European, like my buddy Dennis with his Alfa Romeo. He's out, I believe, in Virginia right now. So here's two $10,000, $19,500. Good deals. Ford F-150 doesn't have a price on it, but looks very clean. I can get you a price. Let me take a picture so I remember. GMC, it's a 1987 for $34K. 1976 Mazda pickup truck, asking $42,000. It's very tight, guys, so I can't fit in there, but this looks pretty amazing. And this truck is gorgeous. Ford F-Series, 1965, asking $36,000. Are you gonna tell me there's more than $36K in this car, in this truck? This truck is beautiful. Look at this. There are some deals to be had, guys. You just gotta look for them. Call Gateway. Call your local Gateway, wherever you're at. Check out this 63 Dodge Power Wagon, asking $69,000. But look at this thing. This is a beast. Paint job looks amazing. It's a little pricey in the sense of not for what it is, but you know, $69,000, not everybody has $69K. Look at that. It looks like they're working on this. They got the engine taken apart. Looks like a new carb in this thing. It's a 74. Impala. Look at this beast. This is nice. Again, this one's being worked on also. So there's no information on these. But they haven't been processed yet, so you still have a chance to get it. It's a C10, which are popular today. Okay, let's take a look inside. This side has the window open. Got the sub between the seats. We got a Corvette over here, still hasn't been processed. Check out this VW bus also. Doesn't look like it's got no pricing on it yet, but if you guys are interested, give them a call. Hasn't been posted yet, you might get a really good deal. I love these. If you guys haven't seen my VW video, Go check it out. Some amazing VWs. We have a great VW crowd here in Miami. The group is huge. Here's another VW. Asking 25 for a 72. It's got the camper style up there. This is fun. I would enjoy having one of these. Let's keep going around. We're almost done. Here's a 64 asking 40K. Let's see if we can squeeze through. Oh, it's closed. Interior looks really good. Got the camper up there. And one more, 77 for 39K. Let's see them all there. So these are all bunched up, but if we have any Toyota Land Cruiser fans, they've got a bunch of them here. It's a 72 for 29K. This is a 76 for 37K. This is a 82 for 31K. They got this Defender, which is an 87 for 90K. And they got this Bronco, which is an 89 for asking for 44K. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. As you can tell, there's still some really good deals out there. You just gotta go out and find them. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. Until next week, take care.